Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today isn't going to be a full tutorial, but if you are new, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell button. And also too, if you want to follow me on Instagram, I will link it right here and also down below. But today I'm going to be showing you on how to brighten up your blondes, especially if their blonde is starting to get a little bit dark on the mid shaft to ends. So on my client, we did a full baby light highlight, and I'm using the Goldwell oxycur with the 10 volume for her mid shaft to ends. And all I'm going to be doing is just putting that bleach on and also teasing a little bit of the hair, not too much, that way we don't get any bad tangles, but just to make it a very soft blend. This is a great way to brighten up your blondes without having to do a full highlight on the hair. That way you keep their hair safe. That's why we are only using a 10 volume. As you guys could see, she is pretty bright already, but we do want to just add some brighter pieces within the hair. If you guys would like to see a tutorial on how I do my blondes and my baby lights and my highlights, please comment down below if you guys want to see that, and I will for sure do a video. When doing this, you also don't have to put the hair in foil. You could leave it open, and you could probably use a 20 volume just to get it a little bit more lighter. But I am going to add the foil just because there are some pieces within her hair that are a little bit yellow that I want to try to lift out. So I'm going to go ahead and end this video here. I hope that you enjoyed the results. I know it's not a long video, but I promise I will do one like this if you guys want, but I will talk to you guys next time.